Welcome. In this short tutorial, we'll build a C# program that takes a string and returns 4 copies of its last 4 characters. If the input string is shorter than the four characters, you simply return the original string. This is a great beginning exercise for practicing substring extraction, conditional logic, and small helpers. I'll show you a clean, safe implementation with comments, plus a reusable function that you can drop into your projects. Let's get started. The requirement is simple. You take the last 4 characters and build the result by repeating them 4 times. Important edge cases, such as short strings, must be returned as is. We will demonstrate both behavior and provide a helper function to keep the main method tidy. The function 4 copies of last 4 does the heavy lifting. It first checks the length, then uses substring to obtain the last 4 characters, and repeats them using the enumeral repeat. We call that from main, where we also handle a possible null input. This structure keeps logic testable. You can unit test the helper and keeps main focused on I/O. Step by step. The program reads the user string, validates length, extracts the tail 4 characters when possible, and then concatenates 4 copies. Using a helper keeps the code concise and makes it easy to swap the repetition count or reuse the logic elsewhere. Examples show the 3 expected paths: a normal long sentence, a short numeric string, and a too short string that returns unchanged. If your input contains trailing spaces, you'd want to ignore them. Also note, for strings containing complex Unicode grapheme clusters, such as emojis and combined characters, Substring works on UTF-16 code units. To operate on graphemes, you'd need System Globalization String Info, which is an advanced extension. While the exact operation, repeat the last 4 characters, is specific, the techniques, safe substring extraction, edge case handling, and building strings are common in many real tasks, such as preparing test payloads, formatting quick identifiers, or teaching string manipulation. The helper pattern is reusable and clean. To wrap up, the pattern is simple and robust. Validate, extract, repeat. For production code, consider trimming unwanted whitespace or validating user input. If you need to support emojis or combined characters, use System Globalization String Info to work with text elements rather than UTF-16 code units. Otherwise, this helper is perfectly adequate and easy to unit test. Thanks for watching. Try parameterizing the function and reusing it in small string tool utilities. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.